What's up, guys? In today's video, we're talking about the best drag and drop website builder that's out there, and I'm going to show you how we use that today. And this is going to be the first video in a series that I have for how to make money with a blog for beginners. So how to make money with a blog for beginners, and also how to start a blog with no money. So this is DIY Web Strategy Labs, the place where we take popular web strategies and put them to the test. And the goal is to learn how to use the web to earn a living. So let's get right into it. Okay, so today I wanted to go ahead and put up a website, start a website right away, a blog basically, right away. And I wanted to do this in about maybe 20 minutes or less, right? I just want to get the website up. That's all I want to do. I want to get the design up. I want to get everything up and running. Now, I want you guys to understand that this is a very simple process as long as you have all the right tools and you know what to do. I've done this so many times that it's just really simple for me now. So I'm going to try and get this done in 20 minutes or less. And hopefully you guys can follow through the process and see how easy it is. All you have to do is have a few things to get started and you're ready to go. So the things that you're going to need is one, hosting service and a domain name. So I have my domain name. We're going to be using actualliving.com because this is a website that I've been planning for some time. I bought this in June, actually. Make sure you have your hosting service. I use A2 hosting. If you want to use A2 hosting, I have a link down in the description. It's an affiliate link, so it'll help this channel quite a lot, actually. And if you go through my link, you'll help me with a commission. Anyway, I'm not saying that you have to use A2 hosting. You could use any hosting service that you want, but I've used A2 hosting for almost a decade now. I have had no complaints. I've loved it, actually. I've gone from GoDaddy to HostGator to A2 hosting, and I've stuck with A2 hosting ever since. So you don't have to use A2 hosting. You can use any other hosting service that you want. There's free hosting out there. I have a video showing how you can use free hosting, but A2 hosting is great. So I recommend it. And I have the Turbo Boost shared hosting service, which is so far I've paid $240 for, I think, 2 years. No, 1 year. So I've also purchased a SSL certificate for $50. So that is how much you'll probably pay. But if you wanted to do monthly, you can do that. And without the SSL certificate, it's going to be somewhere around like $15 per month, something like that. It's not a whole lot. So we're going to get this actualliving.com set up. Okay. And then the other things that you're going to need in order to do file transfers, you don't necessarily need this, but I prefer it because it makes everything so much easier. I use CyberDuck. You could use FileZilla if you want to, but I prefer CyberDuck. I already had that installed. Then you're going to need WordPress. So you're going to have to click here, get WordPress, download that right here, click that and download that. And we're going to go into the cPanel and we're going to make some changes. Also, one thing that I use for photos, for, stock photos, stock videos, stuff like that, I go to Envato Elements. I have a link down in the description for that as well. And I use that. I could use unlimited photos, unlimited videos, all kinds of stuff. They have graphic templates, graphics, whatever you need. And I also use Thrive themes. So I am a Thrive theme member. I'm actually a I have an agency membership, so I can build websites for other people. So I've created my own web design business using Thrive themes. Now, I just want to kind of show you how easy it is to put together a website really, really fast. I've gotten through all this explaining and everything. Now I'm going to show you how fast and how easy it is to get this done. So we're going to go to the cPanel, and we're going to go down to domains, actually add-on domains. We're going to click on that, and we're going to type in actualliving.com, and the subdomain will be actual living. Document root, we're going to change that /public _HTML / and I don't like using the full name, so I'm just gonna make this AL, and I don't know if it is there any other. Oh, I've already added it. It's right here. So actually I don't need to do this. It's already done. I've already got the add-on domain in here, and now I need to make sure I add it to the database. So let's make sure it's in the database. We're going to my SQL databases in the cPanel, and let me check first to make sure I have it. Is it in here? I don't see it. I think this, is there another page? I don't see it here, so I think I have to create a database. So let's create AL and go back. Is it in there? There it is at the very top. Now let's add the user. All privileges, make sure you click that and then make changes. Now go back. Okay, so now what we want to do, since we have both of those things done, I'm gonna create an email for it as well. This is not something that you necessarily have to do, but I do it because I like to knock all of this stuff out like in one swoop. Okay, so we're gonna go to actual living, and this is always one of my defaults, and I always do unlimited. We're gonna generate a password. Automatically create folders, and we're gonna create the email. Okay, let's create it. All right, I got my email created, so I have an email that I can use for this all the time now. And the last thing that we're gonna do here, we got the database, everything set up. Now I just want to show you that you could use the file manager to, make changes to files and things like that. But I'm going to use CyberDuck. So let me show you what my CyberDuck is looking like here. So I have to refresh. It's showing already, but I just want to refresh to make sure it's in there. So now I'm gonna go into here. This is empty right now. I will take the WordPress that I downloaded from the web. I'll extract that, and okay, so now I'm going to take I'm going to select everything here and drag and drop in here. Wait for this to install completely. Now, while that goes on, I am going to come back here and let's see if I can refresh. It's not showing anything just yet, but right now everything's all set up as far as the database goes. So yeah, I guess you can download the Thrive Product Manager plugin. I've already downloaded it. I'm gonna install it as soon as the WordPress installation is complete. I've already gotten some images. I've created a logo. Matter of fact, let's go and get that real quick. So where are my designs? Download this. Transparent background. Add this in with my photos. So I got the logo. This is going to be light or dark, I think. And what else do I need? I think I'm okay without the avatar. Do I need anything else? I need this one thing here too. So I'm let's create a design logo real quick and uploads. Drag this over here. Matter of fact, let's change this real quick so we could get that background to not look exactly the same. All right, so now drag this over. Whoops, what did I just do? Let's undo that. Now change this. There we go. And let's download this transparent background. Okay, so I got the icon and I got the logo. Those are all done. All right. So now all of this is in here. What I want to do is change the config file. All right, so I got this over here, and we're going to change the database name and the password. So the database name, the username, and the password. So I'll put the password here. You guys won't be able to see that, of course. And let me get the database name and the username. Got the database name here. Oh, that's the username. Whoops. And the user. And we save that, and it automatically saves to the oh crap. Okay, first I have to duplicate this. Did that totally wrong. But anyway, it doesn't matter because I have more config files. So all right, so now that's already done. So I can exit out of this, and we can go to back to the browser and see if we can install. So we're gonna go actual-living.com/wp-admin/install.php. All right, there we go. And this is the site. This is where it all begins. We're going to start with English. Site title. Use that as the username. Let me make sure I copy the password. My email address is always going to be the same. Same old, same old. All right, then you log in. Now we're logged in. Okay, so now that we're logged in, what I'm going to do now is start adding plugins, because this is what the site looks like now. We're going to change all of that. So this is what the site looks like now. Hello, world. Actual living, just another WordPress site. Matter of fact, let's do something else real quick first. Let's change the settings here. All right, I just wanted to change that real quick because I didn't want to, keep seeing that just another WordPress site thing show up. So when I make that change, of course, you'll see that change there. Now, let's actually get some plugins going here. Let's add some new plugins. And first thing I want to do is get Updraft install. Activate. And let's set this up real quick. I don't need to do a backup right now. I'm not really on that at this point, but what we're going to do is we're going to have a backup every 12 hours. And we're going to send it to FTP. Yeah, we're going to send it to FTP. And actually, you know what? Never mind. We're going to send it to Google Drive because I would prefer to send it to Google Drive. Send an email and save changes. Remote storage, which is an authorization step to complete. Follow this link. Connect my Google Drive account, which is fine. Drive, press the button below. All right, that's complete. So now I have my backups going to Google Drive, and that will happen twice per day. Okay, now the next thing that I want to do is do companion auto update. Here we go. Maybe I spelled it wrong or something. And I always get this because I want to make sure that my plugins always update. Now, there's another plugin that you want to set up as well, which is Axomet. So you want to activate that. Set up your Axomet account. I think I already have one. So let me just set it up anyway. 0. No, none of that's happening. Not right now, at least. Oh. All right, so check my confirmation code. I'll do that on my phone. Continue. Let it complete this sign up. Sign up complete. We've sent you an email containing your API key. Okay, so my API key. Okay, so this basically will take care of all my spam and everything, which is great. Now I want to add one more plugin, and that is the Thrive Product Manager. Install that. Activate it. And this will install everything that I need for basically Thrive themes to run properly. Log into my account. I should be logged in. Yeah, there we go. Select all. Select all. Install all of them. Now that I have it up and running, I'm going to go ahead and start completing the steps to kind of design my site in the way it looks. So here we got the logo here. We're going to upload that really quick. Actually, let's go back because I didn't upload the one that I wanted. Let's get that in here. Select a file. Go with this here. It'll be light and dark. And continue. The brand color, we'll leave it with what it is now. The header, we want to have it with this navigation, no call to action like that. So we'll have something different, perhaps like this here, but light. There we go. Choose that and continue. Footer. I will not go with a footer like this. Actually, I want to go with something different, something smaller, because this is going to be really simple for now. This might be the best one right now. Let's go with this one here. Dark. All right. Choose and continue. We'll have blog posts showing. I think this is not the way to do that. So we'll exit out of this. And we'll change this later. Yeah, so we got the blog showing. We're going to get rid of that get in touch stuff, the testimonials, all that. We'll get rid of that, but we'll go on full image, full width, without sidebar, single blog post. I don't like this one, but I will do maybe with a sidebar, I think, videos, because that's what most of this will be. So yeah, let's go with the video. Then let's go with this here. Wait a minute, let's see. I like this one too, but I think it'll probably be better if I go with this here. So let's go with this here. And we'll edit that as well. later. Title, banner, call to action. I like that one. My pages probably look best here, like this. I like this one. Yeah, let's go with that. And then we are not gonna have a menu for now. Now, let's go into templates. Home page, where's that at? Let's get that one edited first. Whenever it decides to come up. Okay, so I'd have to add a connection here. I don't have one yet, but we will do that in a future video. So for now, let's get this header taken care of. Let's see. Oh, not this one, this one. Okay, let's see. It's the home page, so okay. Let's just apply that, and we'll have an offer that goes here. Let's save our work real quick and look at what the site looks like. There we go. Got the logo in there. Now, I probably need to change this here to make this thing show up. Never miss a post. Yeah, this whole thing has to show up. And I know exactly what to do to make that happen. But for now, the site is up and we can add whatever little things we want to into it once we have all those set up. So we're going to be doing that little by little, step by step, putting together all of the elements that would help you to be able to make money off of a blog as a beginner, starting from scratch. This will be more of a blog, video blog, but it's definitely gonna be a blog, and we're gonna find simple ways to earn money from it. Okay. All right. So hope you enjoyed this video and got some value out of it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. See you in the next video. Peace, guys.